Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to work on Google Sheets. So first thing we have to do is just open the Google Sheet itself. Okay, and now you can choose which files that you want to work on, or you can also create a new one by click this plus button, and then you can also type the name of the files. For example, a project 2, and after you're done, just need to click a create. And now from this, all of the cells that have here, you can do anything related into your works needs. For example, you want to have a data for the product cells, you can just need to add the title, for example, a monthly product reports. Okay, and after that you can just put information related to it, for example the name of the product, and then for the second row, so you can add a quantity like that. You can just add all of the product that you sell for a month. For example, you sell an apple, you sell a fruit like apple, and then banana, watermelon. Okay, so let's try with these three products, and then for the quantity you can make it in kg right there. And after that you just need to add the amount that the fruits is sold in a month, for example 69, 70, 80. And you can also do a chart editing by just click this and click plus button to add a chart, for example for a pie chart, and now you just need to click done and you will have this. Okay, but if you want to invite your coworkers to work together in this file, you just need to go in this three smalls button, or you can just click this symbols directly, but let's do it the three small buttons. And after that you can just go with a share and export, and after that just click share. And now you just need to click this three smalls button and go with the manage access, and you just need to change this general access from restricted into anyone with the link, so people with the link will be able to be a viewer, or you can also edit from viewer into an editor so that your coworker will be able to work together with you through these files. And after that you just need to click this symbol to copy the link, and after that you just need to share the link from your device, like by WhatsApp or any conversation application that you have with your coworkers. That's all the way how to work on a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.